Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a house tour for y'all and go through each room and kind of show you everything that my husband and I have done. We're not exactly done with every room in the house, but for the most part we have it how we want it. So y'all come along. So you walk into our house and you're straight into the den, which is the place that we spend most of our time. We have cute little touches of succulents and flowers and everything. Most of them are fake because I do not have a green thumb. I pretty much kill every plant that enters into our home. But we love this room. We love being able to have friends over and being able to all fit on a couch together and being able to spend time in this room. So this couch is from Soda City Mattress, and then our table is from World Market, and then most of everything else is either from Home Goods, Target, Anthropologie, or Lowe's. So we have candles burning all the time in our house. It's something that we love. And then we have this cute little blanket ladder that one of our friends built for us. He's incredibly talented, and also this beautiful fireplace that we love so much obviously came with the house. So we think it's a great touch to the room and just really closes it in. Then you're gonna move into Greg's office, and this is honestly one of my favorite rooms in the house because of the lighting that's in here. I just think it's so beautiful. This couch is from Urban Outfitters, I think, or maybe Anthropologie, I honestly can't remember. But he usually has the blinds down. I just think it's so cool to pull them up and see all the really cool lighting in here. And then this little side table is from Pier 1 Imports, and his desk is from Target, and I think all of the stuff, honestly, on his desk is from Target, obviously, except the computer. And this is his bookshelf, and it has all these books that he has actually read. He loves these, but I just feel like this is a great room to represent his style too because it's super clean and minimal. Then you'll walk into our dining room where we have this incredible table that actually came from my brother's house, and it didn't quite fit in their house, so we were able to take it, which is awesome. But these beautiful peacock chairs are from a little place in Greenville called Whim, and we actually use them in our wedding. So they have a really fun and special touch to us, and we really feel like they match this room really well, especially with the placemats and patterns and different layers and textures that we have in this room. And then we have this kind of bar area that you can see in the back here. This is from Pier 1 Imports, and we have all of our glasses and bottles and all the fun drinks that we have. But this is just a really fun room that we love to use for entertaining and whenever we have guests over. Next is this little room that is like the foyer, or narthex as my mom calls it, and all these little decorations on the wall are from Target. And then we have this really cool daybed that's in here from Urban Outfitters that we do actually use. Some people actually sleep on it, and apparently it's pretty comfortable. And then we have this little wall hanging from Home Goods, this little rug from Home Goods as well. And we have this same color gray throughout most of the house, or at least different shades of gray. We love the grayscale. We think that it looks good with everything you can do to a house. But these little candles and holders are from Target. We got them as a wedding gift, and we love this little ram. He adds a fun little touch to the house. But we just love this little room. It's great, a little landing pad as you're walking into the different rooms of the house. Walking into our bedroom, we have this awesome bed that we got from Soda City Mattress here in Columbia. And then this dresser from Ashley Furniture. The ottoman is from World Market. And then some friends gave us this cute little Shannon poster. So this little jewelry holder is from Anthropologie, and then there's Greg's little watch collection. We love our room. It's so cute. The little end tables are from Natto, and the lamps are from Carolina Imports. But again, the same grayscale kind of minimal look. And then we have our bathroom, and it's painted a really dark gray. We thought this was cool. It kind of gave some contrast to the house, to the room, and we love all the little effects and touches that it has. Next, this is the guest room. We have, again, the gray stuff in it, and these are some awesome paintings that my aunt actually painted. She's an incredible artist. Most of the paintings that you can find in our house are made from her. And then this is my office. I use this to get schoolwork done and editing this video in it right now, actually. But the couch is from Anthropologie. The desk is from Target. Chairs from Home Goods, I'm pretty sure, and the bookshelf is from World Market. The chandelier was left by the people before us, and then these are cute little capri blue candles that we got for our wedding, and love this little room. So cute. Literally everything on my desk is from Target. The pencil cup, message board, and lamp, and then all these lanterns and books are from various places, but I love just having the little touches of succulents, and that's my cute little fuse group right there. Then I have my degree and a little gallery wall. So this is our kitchen slash little breakfast area. We want to eventually replace this dining table, or not dining table, excuse me, we want to replace this little kitchen table into something that Greg's gonna make. But a lot of stuff that you're seeing as far as like built-ins was here from the people before us, which is really awesome because they had great style. But we like to keep our house just super clean and sleek and trying to get everything out of the way as much as possible, obviously except for cookbooks. And yes, Greg really does use those all the time. And then we have our cute little KitchenAid that we use for mixing stuff. This is our pantry. I am super OCD and want everything to be crazy organized. And then this is our little side patio and washroom. Hope you enjoyed the house tour, and we'll see you next time.